What's up guys, TechSean here back with another video. Recently I've been exploring some made in India products in my videos, and when it comes to smartphones, thought I'll check out a made in India smartphone by an Indian brand to see how it is. Boom! Meet the Lava Blaze Pro, a budget made in India smartphone under 10,000 rupees. Well, Lava's not a new brand in the Indian phone space. They are for sure trying to launch some decent budget phones. But it's just like any Indian brand, to compete with these Chinese brands is getting tough these days. Anyways, let's unbox and check out how this made in India phone is, and I'll tell you my initial thoughts about it. Cut open the box, you get a SIM tray ejector pin, a soft TPU case, then you get a card that explains one of the primary highlights of this device. That is, Lava provides free in-home service. Yup, something new to bring eyeballs and compete in the market. Details on how to avail the in-home service is in the card. Alright, moving on, we have the smartphone. We will get to it soon. Then we have a 10-watt charger, and finally the Type-C cable. That's about it. Guys, here is the Lava Blaze Pro up close. What I have is the green color. Also comes in gold, blue and an orange color. Well, you know what? Not bad. I like the design aesthetics. Definitely for this price range, looks premium. Back you get a frosted glass design, and the side frame is plastic. Still has a metallic look. Overall, the in-hand feel of the device is very good. Not too heavy, but given its large battery, you do feel a little bit of weight. Front, you have the 6.5 inches display with an 8 megapixel selfie camera. To the right, volume buttons and the fingerprint sensor. Left, the SIM tray. It can take in dual 4G SIM plus one microSD card for storage expansion. Bottom, you have the speaker, Type-C port, primary mic and the 3.5mm audio slot. Top, nothing. Back is where the camera module is. Overall, design-wise, definitely impressive. Though it's not a compact phone, I personally like it. Oh no!
All hail the compact king.
For the king.
Yes!
Exclusive TechSean comparison time.
Well, if I have to say, the size of the Lava Blaze Pro is approximately in the size of a 20 rupees Laser brand Razer pack.
What?
Yup, crazy but true. Another exclusive TechSean comparison. Alright, here are my initial impressions about the general aspects of this device. Starting off with the display. What you're getting here is a 6.5 inches HD Plus IPS display with 90Hz refresh rate. 90Hz, not bad. It is a bright and vibrant display. Good color reproduction. If you're someone who consumes a lot of multimedia content, you will like it. Top of the display is where you get a drop style notch and a bit of chin at the bottom. Overall, the glass is 2.5D, but there is no info on what type of glass it is. And it also does not come with a pre-applied screen protector. That is a thing to note. You gotta get it separately. Overall, good display. I like it. Moving on, hardware and performance. The chipset on this device is a MediaTek G37 octa-core chip bundled with 4GB LPDDR4X RAM and 64GB eMCC 5.1 storage. Well, as said, storage you can expand up to 256GB with a microSD card. And if needed, you can also set storage to add an extra 3GB virtual RAM. But you know what? I won't recommend that personally. Software front, you have Android 12 out of the box with no bloatware, which is totally good. In my opinion, this phone is targeted towards people who are not power users. Some might say a G85 chip would have been better in this range. Well, that is true, but sadly it's not. Still, this is also a capable chip for overall everyday use. I did not have any issues with common stuff that I did on this smartphone. All the day-to-day common apps that we use ran without any hiccups. So yeah, casual normal users, no problem. On the gaming front, all low-end games, this device can handle it well. And hey, don't miss out my game Shan's Treasure Hunt. You will love it. So yeah, casual game, yup. I even went ahead and tried some high-end games like Asphalt 9 and Marvel Champions. Did well in medium settings. Okay, here are a couple of things that you might want to know. Call recording on the dialer. Yes, it has it. And you know what the best part? It does not alert while recording.
Wow!
Yup, so this is something that might attract a few people. Next, there is no wideband L1 support, so high definition content on apps like Netflix is a no-go. Then coming to the sensors, except gyro, you have the rest. The side-mounted fingerprint sensor is also fast. Call quality, yup, that is also good. On the speaker quality, it is loud and clear enough via the single speaker. Next, moving on to camera. Well, the back has a 50 megapixel main shooter with a 2 megapixel macro, VGA sensor and the LED flash. Front, as said, an 8 megapixel shooter. The rear and front camera both supports up to 30 fps full HD video recording, but sadly there's no stabilization. What impressed me is the photo department. Using this device, you can definitely take some impressive shots that you can use on social media. Here are some samples. Both indoor and outdoor conditions were handled well. Moving on, battery. What you get is a 5000 mAh battery and you can easily pull it to little over a day with good use. But lack of fast charging and the provided 10 watt charger is a bummer. Here is a complete technical specification overview for your reference. Okay, here are some highlights that I want to point out regarding this device. First, Lava claims to provide free screen replacement up to 100 days. So that is a plus for rugged guys, isn't it? Next, the free at-home service by them is something interesting. I haven't tried it yet because I can only when the problem comes up, right? Next, to help you decide, Lava is providing free at-home demo, which you can register from their website. They will bring the device to you. You can try it and then decide. Again, something new in the Indian smartphone space. And the final one, the anonymous call recording, which some might find it impressive. The Lava Blaze Pro costs around Rs 9,999, and in a market flooded with options with Chinese brands, looking out for a budget made in India phone definitely points you to this device. If Lava could work on the processor department alone a bit more, then it'll be awesome. What do you guys think about the Lava Blaze Pro? Would you consider this made in India phone if you're looking one in this range? Let me know in the comments. So that's it for this video. Hope you guys found it informative. If you did, like, share and subscribe, and I'll catch you guys soon in another exciting video. Until then,